This was the second visit of the Committee on Public Undertaking, which is scrutinizing the CAG report, in which there were some remarks on the commissioning of district hospital. Now, last meeting which we had held, at that time it was agreed, there was an assurance given that they will try to complete the work by July, hand it over to health services, and then that time the director said that it will take 2-3 months for them to commission. So tentative date of commissioning was somewhere around September. Now today when we have met, that our visit was scheduled in the month of March. Because of code of conduct we could not pay the visit. But today, after the meeting, we have realized and they have informed us that three works are slightly getting delayed. One was gas pipeline, which will be completed in the first week of September. The first week of September. Then your STP is also getting completed in the first week of September, and OTs, because they are to be imported. They are getting all the things done from outside, from US probably. So because of that, these three items, their other works in this also is slightly held up. So now the tentative date of handing over to health services is around September end, with fully cleaned up everything. In that case, the director says that they will take 1 month for shifting entire thing and complete the process. So we have said the tentative date has been now revised to the month of October. Now they are fully prepared. Director and deputy director in charge of hospital superintendent, she also says that they are preparing they have already prepared a plan by which they are ready to shift the entire 250-bedded hospital to the new district hospital within a period of 1 month. So as per this, the major component is multitasking servants. They require around 77 multitasking. Then they have consultants. Consultants are okay, 2, 3, 4 like that. Consultants and doctors is not a big thing. For example, they require anesthesias, pediatricians. That number. Assistant doctor? Assistant doctor also, their number is not that big. Major chunk is required is basically multitasking for these and nurses. Nurses is around 127 they have.